Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to edit the theme of your Google Slides presentation. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Google Slides website and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you will be able to create your own presentation. As you can see, I have already created my presentation and my first slide right here. So I have already put up my heading right here. This is my title. Let's say that you have everything right here, and now guys you want to change your theme. And as you can see, my theme is currently all white and I want to change it to something else. So guys, how do you do it? Well, it's very easy. The first thing you want to do guys is make sure that you are not typing. As you can see, I'm currently typing, so I do not have the option to change the theme. What you want is to click anywhere on the paper where it is empty. So after I have stopped typing guys, now you can see that I have currently more options right here in my bar that will enable me to change my layout. So as you can see, I can change my background, I can change my layout, so on. But what we want guys is this third option right here called theme. So guys, go ahead and click on theme. And now as you can see here guys, at the right side of the screen, there have been multiple options now that we can use for a theme. So you can scroll down guys until you find the theme that you want to use. Let's say this one right here. As you can see, it will automatically change after we click on it. And now every new slide will automatically change to this theme. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.